The first time I ever saw milk with meat was when I was going through, and I thought I was going to die. You can't eat like this, it's impossible. But I survived, and I learned the Goyish way. Ever since then, you know, I was just, yeah, that's the first time. But we were kosher at home, my mother and I, yeah. 100%. In fact, on Friday afternoon, we'd have the fish swimming in the bathtub, and she was making the chicken kosher, and you know, for Shabbos, you know, Friday afternoon for Friday night dinner. My mother's knedlich were always good. Oh, I know what. She made humantaschen for Purim. She showed me how to do it, and we used to make them together. So that was also a very favorite. In fact, we would stuff one of them with eggshells and coins. Whoever got that lucky got an extra quarter or something like that, you know, but it was hidden inside. She always had some kind of gags going on. But the humantaschen, but Friday night dinner was my favorite usually, you know, it was chicken soup, and I look forward to that, you know, it was just a wonderful dinner.